Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles to I'm Zans. Bribing me with 60,000 rands while you got 800 million rands. That's very disrespectful. And I'm snitching on you. Charleston White style.
The story is insane. The amazing Daily Maverick journalist Peter Louis Meyerberg just turned down a 60,000 rand bribe on camera. 60 grand. They're trying to bribe him to drop a story about the boss of the IDT. The IDT is a government agency that nobody cares. The point is, the boss of the IDT, Tebogo Malaka, had a sudden jump in wealth. Surprise, surprise, after she was suspended for issues around a 863 million rand tender. And 60 grand is what they offered Peter Louis Meyerberg. It's disgusting. Our journalists deserve better, at least double that. And to be very clear, please can the IDT spokesperson get in touch with me urgently. If they send me the 60 grand, I promise to never mention the story again. E-wallet is fine.
So I just want to close this chapter.
Yeah, no, sure.
And I think I will need you to close this chapter.
Yeah, no, sure.
It's too much.
Yes, yeah, no, there's been a lot.
I have kids, I have parents. My parents are old. They were sick, they couldn't sleep over the last weekend. Because, it's bad.
Sure, no, absolutely, yeah, no. Yeah, so...
I just thought, because some of the things I can't speak in front of Pasha, as much as I trust him, I'm his boss.
Oh, okay.
So I thought, let me...
I was wondering about that. Now, did you decide beforehand to break up and then just me and you talk, or, yeah?
No.
Okay, yeah. Okay, no, sure.
So you will advise me how we move forward.
Yes, so, okay, well, I think, Pasha initiated the discussion with me, I think it was early June, and obviously at that point, I assume that's kind of the issue here is the waterfall house. I'm quite advanced with that, to be honest. I'll be frank with you.
I want it closed. I don't want you to be writing about it. I don't want anything more coming out of Please for a moment.
Yeah, no, sure. Let me give Pasha a call quickly. It's getting a little bit windier now.
But it's still not cold.
That's nice, yeah.
There.
Hey, Pasha.
We are done.
Yeah, your boss says you must come back.
The IDT spokesperson pulled out a white Youre shopping bag stuffed with 200 rand notes and placed it on the table. This while his suspended boss sat looking on. I asked them how much money they bought for me, and they said it was 60,000 rand. But they also intimated that there would be more money coming my way if I dropped my investigation into Malaka's house. After the cash had been placed on the table, I casually photographed it for our records. Next, I duly informed Malaka and Makvalane that I wouldn't be taking the alleged bribe after all. I told them that it had always been my intention to get them to present me with the cash and that I had never intended to take it. And then just like that, our meeting was over.
Imagine catching somebody doing a fraud of 800 million and then they try to bribe you with 60,000. 60,000! 60! Oh, what a fun! 60,000! Then I was going to expose you.
That 60,000 rand scandal is not about rooting out corruption. It's a matter of disrespect. Let me explain. If you are being bribed with 60,000, knowing that the person has millions, you'll also feel disrespected. I'm a person of morals and ethics, but once you start mentioning a million, the ethics fly out of the window. Do you think that person, if they were offered a million, they would talk? Of course not. We wouldn't even know about it. But 60,000? Now you are like, are you reducing me to a common criminal? This is vomitous, unpardonable, execrable. Oh, come on. I'm not a common thug, you know? So I doubt that the person was going to talk, but because they offered a measly 60,000. Yeah, we want this money. We want the money. If the money is right, lips are tight. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense, but because we want this money. Now, you can come at me in the comments, it's fine. It doesn't matter. You also would have taken that million. You watching there. Anyway, thank you for watching. Before I go, drum roll, please. Don't forget to use Cologne. Cologne, smelling good. It's not a crime.
Are you Yeah, you said you'll do anything. Yeah. Eh, malam fan. Kadi tune fan. Kono kon sang hairstyle yo. Eh, mena mun fan. Chop. Aba fanas. Happy hairstyle mecha lily the legs. I'm fan of Bila. You look handsome, my son. I'm telling you. I don't feel the bag. Yeah, I would think I no die.
White bleach.
Yeah. Baro ka bleach na pila lo fade. Because he's all I'm fan president.
Astona.
I'm fan. Ai, Abu Bila sa.
Namaste.
Bro, why you working like that, bro?
I'm Indian. Put your tag.
Bro, you're not Indian,
What's up, bro? What's up?
You're not Indian, bro. How you doing, though?
What?
What?
Namaste.
Oh, my God, bro. Bro, you're not Indian, bro. You was there for 2 days, bro. Huh? Bro.
Krishna.
What the fuck? Nah, there's something wrong with this guy, bro. What? Bro, you gotta leave, dog. I don't know, man. You gotta leave, though. You gotta leave.
Krishna Liya, don't talk to me like that. I'm not African. I'm not American. I am very Indian. If you laugh, you are going to hell. Jahannam talate raho. You laughing?
But leave, bro. Leave, bro. Bro.
Hey, stop that. I'm stuck. How? Yeah. I never go. Oh, in that case, I'm gonna give invoice ne kumela ukuthi wena mekufitha ebankeni uyithathe lento le ngixolisa uyithathe ngiyabonga ngixolisa ngiyabonga ini khatha manje ngiyixolisa ngicela danki baba wena ngithola imali
daman sela njela girlfriend tena ola sela suna media kama lumara mlate
manje izala what ishala fucking ngizokubulala wena ngizokukhombisa ngicela nje.
I'm not struggling with numbers like Zuma.
How? Where Babu?
Few moments later.
That ANC membership stands at 1,1,479,257. It's 1.5 million. Yeah. Okay.